So for number one, what if we expand the given logarithmic expression immediately? This one here can become that. And then we have log 9, 4, which is x, take away log 9, 7 is y. So that one's pretty fast. That one's just x minus y. For question 2, what if we first rewrite the denominator? So we have log base 7, and we can keep the 10 the way it is because I see a 10 over there. But that's 63. I'm going to go 9 and 7 because I see a 9 and a 7 over there in my little cheat sheet section. And now that we have that, we can break this up into smaller logarithms like this, where remember that the log of the tops is positive and then log of the bottoms are negative. So that's why it's positive and these are negative, because that was from the top and these pieces came from the bottom. And now we're ready to finish this. Log 710 is t, take away. Log 79 is s. And then log 77, we know that's just 1. So that is the final result there. Now, what about question number 3? So let's find it here. Question number 3 is there. So 33 over 2. Well, look, I don't see a 33 over a 2. So what if we instead take 33 over 2, and what if we multiply by, some students multiplied by 3. That should work. If you multiply that by 3, it's 99. If you multiply that by 3, it becomes 6. I think some students did that. So the 6 is good because there's a 6 there. The 99 is 9 times 11, and that's good because there's a 9 and an 11 there. So this would be log base 4, 9 plus log base 4, 11 minus log base 4, 6, because of course 99 is 9 times 11. And 9 and 11 are from the top, so they're both positive. The 6 came from the bottom, which is why it's negative. And we're done, right? Because log 4, 9 is C plus log 4, 11 is B. Take away log 4, 6 is A. So C plus B minus A, is that what they got for their answer key for number 3? It is, but there's a different way of having done number 3. I think that some students for number 3, I think that they actually multiplied by 2. If you had multiplied by 2, that guy, it would have been log base 4. If you multiply top and bottom by 2, it would have been 66 over 4. And that's fine because that would have been log 4. And then 66 is 11 times 6. Let me focus my camera. 11 times 6 over 4. And that would have been log 4, 11 plus log 4, 6 minus log 4, 4. Pardon the sloppy writing. I ran out of space. And that's good because 1166 is 11 times 6. These guys are positive. They came from the top. This piece is negative. It came from the bottom. Log 4, 11 is B plus log 4, 6 is A. And then minus 1. So look, these are two different answers to the same equation. So that's one example where a problem like this can have more than one right answer. And maybe there's another way, I'm not sure, but I'm saying these are legit. There might be others. Now for the last one here, I mean, gosh, I haven't done this problem, but what can we multiply by? I know I'm going to have to modify it because I don't see a 20 anywhere. And 20 is like 2 times 10, 4 times 5, but I don't see those numbers anywhere. So what if we multiply by, how about, let's see, 2? No. If I use a 3, no. What about a 4? A 4. Ooh, look, I think 4 would work. If you multiply that by 4, that would become 80. If you multiply that by 4, it becomes 36. And I'll tell you why this is good. Remember that the invisible base is 10. I just filled it in right there. Now what we can do here, so I multiplied by 4, just FYI. I multiplied by 4 top and bottom. That's what I did to get this fraction. So here, 80 could be like 8 times 10. And that's good because there's an 8 right there. And 10 is good because that's the invisible base. 36 could be 6 times 6. And if we now expand this expression, this is what we should get. Minus log 10 6 minus log base 10 6. And we have something for everyone. Log 10 8 is a, because again, all these logs have invisible bases of 10. Plus 1, because that's log 10 10, which is 1. Minus log 10 6 is b, and then minus itself. So final answer would be a plus 1 minus 2 copies of b. Is that what they had in the answer key for number 4? Let's see here. Yeah, check it out. A plus 1 minus 2b. So that is homework number 11.